Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Professor Melika. I found something today and I just cannot help it but do a video. Oh, these are my reports from high school. Okay, let me tell you, I don't have all of my reports. I have some. And so I'm going to be reading my reports to you guys. I'm going to be reading my reports to you guys. I have reports for grade 9, first and fourth term. I have reports for grade 10. It is first, second, and fourth term. I have reports for grade 11. This is first term, second term, and fourth term. I have reports. This is also fourth term. I have reports for matric for first term and third term. So scary, guys, but I'm gonna read them to you. I'm trying to take about 3 minutes so that this can fit into a shot. And then if it doesn't, then I'll have to create another one, a part 2. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'll start with grade 9. Okay. First term. You can see it is very old, even has stains. So this is a real report, guys. I didn't make it up. So for English, I got level 4. For English, extra English, I got level 5. Afrikaans, I got level 4. Mathematics, level 4. Natural science, level 3. Geography, level 4. History, level 4. Accounting, level 5. Technology, level 4. Technology IT, level 4. Art culture, just art, level 5. Art culture drama, level 3. Life orientation, level 4. I'm gonna make another video, a part 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 until I complete them, guys. Goodbye.